It's the way to another building on the Normandale Community College campus. Whoa. Oh, an all city. Seems like it was in power saving mode. Not what I was expecting here. I thought there was an MEI in here. There we go. Here are 3. This is the college services building. This is nice. We'll end up here. See store hold work? No, it does not. Look at that all city elevator rank. There is a small third party here. There's your COP. Got innovation prestige buttons and ADA phone. Nice cab. It's a very nice install. 4,000 pound capacity. Button already went out. We do end down to 3. Look, I like how the lantern's blue. There's an Adams key switch. I wonder if this was something older. Record said there was an MEI in here, so I wonder if this got modded. Anyway, here we go. I think this is PB45. Something's telling me this is a mod. There it goes. And